Parking brake off. Take off.
Stabilized.
Manual flex 55 SRS. Runway auto thrust blue.
Check. Power set.
Checked.
100.
Checked.
V1. Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up. Nav green.
Check.
Autopilot 1.
Check. Landing gear is up. Master caution, engine 1 failed.
Manual toggle.
Check.
I have control and communications.
You have control and communications.
Control Air Portugal 01 performing engine out SID due to an engine failure. ECAM actions.
Engine 1 failed. Engine mode selector ignition. Ignition. Thrust lever 1 idle.
Confirm.
Confirm.
Idle. Heading green.
Check. If no engine relight, parameters check, no relight. Engine master 1 off. Confirm.
Confirm.
Off. If damage, parameters check, no damage. If no damage, engine 1 relight initiate.
Standby ECAM actions. Vertical speed pushed. Vertical speed 0.
Check.
Flaps 1.
Speed check. Flaps at 1. S speed.
Flap 0.
Speed check. Flaps at 0.
Altitude pull. Green dot checked. Managed. Thrust. MCT. Thrust MCT. Open climb. Auto thrust wide.
Check.
Pack 2.
Pack 2 is on.
Continuing ECAM actions.
Engine 1 relight initiate.
Engine relighting flight paper checklist.
Engine relight in flight paper checklist. Maximum altitude is checked. Engine master affected off. Off. Thrust lever affected, check idle. Idle. Manual start push button off. Off. Engine mode selector ignition. Ignition. Cross bleed open. Open. Wing anti-ice off. Off. Engine master affected on. Start engine number 1. Start valve open. N2. Fuel flow. Oil pressure rising. N1. Time is over. No relight. If no relight, engine master affected off. Confirm?
Confirm.
Off. Engine relight in flight paper checklist complete.
Continuing ECAM actions.
Shut down. Fuel crossfeed on. On. Engine 1 fail. Clear?
Clear.
Air. Pack 1 off.
Pack 1 on.
Pack 1 is on. Amber. Land as soon as possible.
Checked.
Secondary failures. Air bleed. Loss of bleed 1. Bleed 2 supplying both packs. Cross bleed open. Air bleed clear.
Clear.
Electrical. Loss of generator 1. Generator 2 supplying AC1 and AC2. Galley shed.
APU master switch on.
APU master switch is on. Electrical clear.
Clear.
Status.
Standby status. Read after takeoff checklist.
After takeoff checklist. Landing gear up, flap, retracted packs. On. Baro ref.
1013 set.
Set. After takeoff checklist complete.
Read status.
Status. One pack only, wing anti-ice on. Cat 3 single only. Inoperative systems. Cat 3 dual, engine 1 bleed, main galley, generator 1. Status clear.
Clear.
ECAM actions completed.
Start the APU.
Starting the APU.
I have control, you have communications.
You have control, I have communications.